Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Yazio. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we'll search about Yazio app and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. And then here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your